Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the most straightforward way to insert multiple rows into Excel in one go. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's say we want to add 3 new blank rows below row 8. Therefore, let's take the following steps. Select row 9 by clicking on it, which is 1 row below the currently selected row. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag downwards to select 3 rows. In this small window just below, you can quickly view the number of rows selected, which will be the same number of rows inserted, so you don't need to take the time to count them manually. To complete the task, simply right-click your mouse and choose the Insert option. That's all you need to do. Row 8 now has 3 empty rows below it, as requested. This is very useful, as these steps can be applied to any number of rows. If you would like to gain additional knowledge regarding the management of rows in Excel spreadsheets, you may find the Sheet Leveler tutorial series, titled How to Manage Rows in Excel, helpful. The link to the video is located in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.